Alright, we have a tornado warned storm here, Clayton, North Carolina, getting ready to head down 70 east, 70 west, no, 70 east, 70 east to intercept the storm. We'll continue video when in contact. We have a serious wall cloud here from the storm, serious rotation. Looking for the tornado now, we'll find it. Tornado warned storm here in Clayton, North Carolina, March 24th, 2022. Funnel cloud right above me. There it is. There's the rotation. There's the circular rotation. It's right here, dude. I'm literally right below it. Holy crap. I'm right on Highway 70.
70 and what? 70 towards all the way to California.
I'm on 70. It's right here below me, man. Or above me. It's right above me. Wow.
Give me a landmark on 70.
I'm at the Life Spring Academy Church, right near St. Anne's Church, pretty much.
Okay. But
Yep.
it's still in the air. It's just got a funnel now, right?
Yeah, I see it.
Is it coming towards me, or is it
It's
going
going
back towards
other
Garner?
way. It's going towards Garner. It's going.
It's going for, okay.
Yep.
So if that one touches down, we're good, right?
Yeah, you're fine.
Okay.
Okay. I still got more coming, so I'm staying optimistic still. It's a fast-moving storm, so I've basically got myself backed up against the wall cloud. So everything in front of me, if I'm watching it in a straight line to see where it crosses at, if there is one on the ground, and I could see for maybe 5 miles in a straight shot down in front of me. So I'm just waiting to see if anything crosses on the ground.
Well, let me know if that touches.
It's coming down really hard. Oh crap. It's wet, dude. It's real wet. The storm's moving to north of Clayton. I'm gonna move out. Try to intercept the center of the storm. We got heavy downpour. We are almost in whiteout condition. I can't see anything. Strong supercell coming through Clayton. Woo boy. Let's go intercept it.